Students, today we will study about Lewis dot structure. To draw the Lewis dot structure for any molecule, you have to just follow 5 simple steps, which are, first of all, you have to count all the valence electrons. After that, determine the central atom. Okay, the central atom is the one that all the other atoms will be bonded to, and it is usually the element that there is only one of. It can also be considered that the atom with least electronegativity will also be considered as a central atom. After that, you have to draw the single bond to the central atom. The fourth step is to complete the octet with remaining electrons for the surrounding atom first. And if you are left with any remaining electrons, then you have to put those electrons to the central atom. And at the last, you have to complete the central atom octet by making the covalent bonds. Now, these 5 steps can be easily understood. Let's take an example. For example, we take the nitrate ion, that is NO3 1-. Okay, so first step is to calculate the valence electrons. So if we consider this NO3 1- ion, so valence electrons will be, how we will calculate? You know that nitrogen belong to the 5th group and oxygen here, it belong to the 6th group. Okay, so the valence electrons for nitrogen will be 5 and for oxygen it will be 6, and here 3 oxygen are present, so it will be 3 into 6. One negative charge, you will add this 1. So what will be? The valence electrons in this case will be 24 electrons. Okay, now we will move to the next step. The next step says that you have to determine the central atom. Okay, if we considered NO3 1-, so there are 2. How you will calculate the central atom? The central atom is that which is only 1. So here it's nitrogen. You can also calculate with the, you can also consider the central atom as the atom with having the least electronegativity. Okay, so in this case it will be nitrogen. So you will consider it like this. After that, the third step says that you have to draw the single bond. What you have to do? You have to draw the single bond to the central atom. Okay, draw the single bond to the central atom. Now let's come to the fourth step. The fourth step says that you have to complete the octet of the surrounding atoms first. Okay, so in this case the surrounding atom is oxygen. So what we will do? We will complete the octet. How you will complete the octet? As you are well aware, this single bond is having 2 electrons. Okay, the single bond is made up of the 2 electrons. So how we will complete the octet of the surrounding atoms? Let's start. 1, 2. Oxygen belonging to the 6th group, you are well aware, the outermost electron will be having the 8 electrons. So complete octet कैसे होएगा कि 8 electrons होने चाहिए उसके पास. So complete the octet of this oxygen. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Similarly for this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now you have completed the octet of the surrounding atom. Now let's calculate the, you can see we can total the number of electrons and see if there any electrons is remaining. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Okay, so here 24 electrons and valence electrons were 24. So no remaining electrons. Now move to the last step, that is the 5th step, which says that complete the central atom octet by making the covalent bonds. So how you will do this? You will do this. How will do this? See, nitrogen. You have to, now you have to complete the octet of the central atom. The central atom is nitrogen. So how many electrons it's having? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So short of the 2 electrons. So how you will complete that 2 electrons? By making the single covalent bond. Okay, by making the covalent bond with any of the oxygen, you can do that. So we will do it like this. Okay, now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because each single bond is having the 2 electrons. Now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The octet of the central atom is also complete, and also the octet of the remaining surrounding atoms is also completed. So we were with nitrate ion, that is NO3 1- ion. So this negative charge, what you will do? You will put it in a square bracket and just put this negative charge on it. That's it. Thank you.